Good evening. Today is November 28, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Laka 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 28, 2023 Tuesday. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, November 28, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of November 28, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.